Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer wholesale pricing tiers using bold discounts step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. In the left sidebar, navigate to the Apps section. Open the Bold Discounts app from your list of installed apps. Once inside the app, locate the Pricing Tiers tab. Click on the Pricing Tiers tab to access the tier settings. Here, you will see your current pricing tiers listed. To create a new pricing tier, click on the Add New Tier button. Enter a name for your new tier in the designated field. Set the minimum quantity needed for this tier to apply. Next, input the discount percentage or fixed price reduction. After entering the details, click on the Save button to store your new tier. To transfer existing pricing tiers, select the tier you wish to duplicate. Click on the Duplicate Tier option to create a copy. Modify the details of the duplicated tier as needed. Ensure you adjust the tier name to differentiate it from the original. Once you've made all necessary adjustments, click Save again. Review all pricing tiers to ensure accuracy. Test the new pricing tiers by simulating customer purchases. Check that the tier discounts apply correctly at the checkout. If everything looks good, your wholesale pricing tiers are now successfully transferred. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.